at Chuck's place right now, C&D Autotech. I don't know if we're going to get it to fire up today, but the goal originally was to fire up today. So we're going to walk you through exactly where the car stands, what's done to it, a quick recap of the built motor, turbo kit, ported heads, clutches, everything that we've done, everything that we're about to do. We're going to try and show you. I'm going to be up there to keep Chuck focused and in line, and help him avoid any distractions, because everybody wants to talk to Chuck this week, even though it's Steve's week. So let's get this thing fired up. I believe every part and piece is there, to include the new UCAL or RTD, whatever it's called, from Palm Beach. The only thing missing is still currently the Motec, and we're waiting on, I'm waiting on the physical Motec and the harness for it. Once that's in, it's game over. Like, I'm so excited. I'm not even just talking shit. Like, I'm just telling you, right now on stock ECU is the only chance most of these people have to beat me. The ones that are talking shit, with the Hellcats and whatever the fuck else they got. Your only chance now is on stock ECU, and I spin, which is why I'm trying to get this car on the road so I can do what I do, go out there and test it and make sure I know exactly how it's going to respond, so I can drag some asses like I'm used to doing. I feel like 1250, 1300 horsepower is probably about where we're going to end up on stock ECU. There's not full control of the transmission yet, so I think the clutches, even my clutches, will slip about there. I'm hoping that we have a little bit more leeway with the SSP stuff, but I don't know. That's all speculation right now. Once the Motec's in, that's a game changer, right? All the fast cars, the truly fast cars, run that. The Underground, the Calvos, Dallas, Hefner, all the T1, the really fast guys run a Motec, and it's for a reason, because I want traction control, I want boost by gear, I want rolling anti-lag, I want full DCT control, because the car is built right now to handle 1500 plus. The difference between me and like Ken of Palm Beach's car is he has a billet crank. I didn't opt for that. He has like exhaust O-rings. I also didn't opt for that. And our head ports are different. I went with Chris Starnes. He went with head gates. Other than that, it's pretty much the same short block or long block, whatever you want to call it. Same materials except for the crank and who did the porting. So with all that, I've got some other things with this Hellion turbo kit. It's pretty gnarly. If I can't tell you, but I can tell you it's pretty badass. And everything else is there. My goal is 1300 horsepower. We'll let it eat. Traction is going to be my biggest concern, I think. Other than that, any of these people that have ran their mouths before, now's your chance, right? This car should be on the road by next week at the latest. It doesn't matter how much horsepower it makes, because that's just a number. It just needs to run. If it runs, I will drive it, and I will fuck up all these goddamn Hellcats and other GT500s that still run their mouth. They haven't fucking touched 4s in 6130. They haven't fucking touched 8s. They haven't touched 150 miles an hour in the quarter. They haven't touched 170 at Pocono, yet they all think they can beat me now when I've got more horsepower than I ever had. It's guaranteed. Same boost from the turbos will be more power than I've ever pushed through this car. If you recall, I only made 998 horsepower a year ago. It may have been tweaked, the tune may have been tweaked a little bit, so we'll just say 1050. I had 1050 horsepower when I ran 8s and I ran street speed and did all that badass shit. The stock motor turbo cars now are making 1250 plus. Okay? I don't have a stock motor. So, at a bare minimum, that's where we're going to be at on stock ECU. And I'm going to try and make it work. So these other, mid 9-second and 145 mile an hour Hellcat, like, you're a manual. Darren, you're a stick fucking Hellcat. Like why are you talking shit to me? Go pick on somebody you might have a chance to beat. Oh my God. I forget who the other one is. There's another. Oh, Fitz. Oh, the fucking gremlin. Jesus Christ. He like, I'm poor, I'm broke, I'm all this shit, yet If you're so rich, why are you still fucking slow, Jay? I don't fucking get it. You've got money to do all this. You tell me like, oh, I can do what I want. I don't give a fuck how much money you got, because you don't have enough money to go fast. So line up. Oh wait, that's right, you won't. You've ducked out 3 times. Any race, drag race, roll race, street race, I don't give a fuck. All right, now you guys are getting me all heated up, fired up. Oh my god, let's go see where we're at. I'm gonna channel my inner stag mode. So here's the car. Ain't seen this bitch in fucking months. Still dirty as shit. We've got oil change, plugs, DCT fluid. Chuck's up there working his magic. We got, oh, everything's in there. Looks like a full weight car to me. Doing the RTD. Well, we're staying out of Chuck's way. So it's a TKM engine. We'll go back over what's in there later, because I've done a video on that when I went down there. We've got Chris Starnes ported heads. We've got, I don't even know. It's pretty fucking badass. Jason's boost proof 1320 junkie, boost proof manifold. We're adapting that to this. What else did we do? We've got new brake pads, right? Because look how dusty these fucking things are. We're gonna try those Hawk pads that are just as good, if not better, with the low dust option. We still have to take out and sell the ice tank, because we don't need that, because we are now air to air. Let's see what else we got. We got suspension shit from SPE, I believe. Hell yeah. And I'm thinking that might be it. So we just got built motor. Oh, turbo kit. So then we've got the brake pads, low dust formula. That's what we're after. GT500 stops phenomenally as is. Not really trying to go crazy there. Turbo Smart turbo kit. 2 of them. We already said new O2 sensors. We have the SPE cradle lockout and vertical link. There we go. Yeah, buddy. That looks like some quality stuff right there. This is nice. So what it does is, this comes out of where the OEM line is. This goes up, plugs in, screws in, and then that goes into there, making it a better seal, because I guess factory, they are not sealing. So there you have it. That's just about it for today. Chuck got through as much as he could. There was a few interruptions. I did what I could, which isn't much, but you know, if I can shave 30, 45 minutes of work over 3 days, that's, you know, it's a couple hours that he doesn't have to do the menial tasks. Anyway, so that's the next time we get in there, it should be just about near completion. I'll show you that probably in a couple days. I'm actually on my way to go finish it now. We're hoping that tonight it fires up. If it fires up tonight, then we're good. Just break in the engine on the dyno, get some dyno numbers. We're going to do that same dyno Chuck just bought because it's got a nice hub dyno. Stang mode, I think he made 1100, but we'll get there. And then eventually I'll bring it out to you guys for a Dynojet because people want to see Dynojet numbers. Not that the numbers matter to me, but comparable stuff. Again, 1250, 1300, I don't know. Depends on what it is. Depends how happy Palm Beach can keep the clutches during all this. A dyno pool is great. It may be able to, hit a banger on the dyno, but as soon as you put it on the road, load conditions and all the other factors come into play, it may not be as happy. That's the plan. All right, so tune in a couple days, fire it up and dyno. See ya.